Good morning, students. Today we will study class 3rd, chapter 7, MSW logo means Microsoft Window logo. Okay, in this chapter, to write or draw in a computer, we need to give instruction in a language that the computer understand. An example of such a computer language is logo. जो logo है हमारा, वो logo क्या है? Logo is your computer language. This is your computer language. After that, to write or draw in a computer, we need to give the instruction in a language. To write anything or to draw anything, we need to give an instruction in computer language, and we take help from logo. After that, logo is a computer language used to draw figure, do simple calculation, and to type text. Logo use a pen for writing and draw on a logo screen. This pen is known as a turtle. Okay, आप जिस पेन का यूज करते हैं लोगो में लिखने के लिए, हम उसको कहते हैं टर्टल. एंड द शेप ऑफ टर्टल इज लाइक दिस. ओके, द शेप ऑफ टर्टल इज योर ट्राइंगल शेप. The pointer triangle end has two parts. The turtle looks like a small triangle and has two parts, head and tail. This is your head and this is your tail. Logo में when you are using logo or when or doing anything in logo, you see a turtle on this. One upper side is your head and lower side is your tail. A small triangle. After that, the pointed upper part is called head and the flat lower part is called tail. I have told you. A turtle understand and follows the logo command only. और ये जो turtle है ये केवल logo command ही use करते हैं. ये only it can understand logo command. Microsoft Window logo is the logo designed to be used in Windows. Okay. After that, to start MS Word, Microsoft Word logo, how you can start in your system. First of all, number one, the first step is your click on start button. Click on start button. Second is your click on all programs. Click on all programs. After that, third step is your click on Microsoft Window logo folder. Click on MSW logo folder. Then fourth step is your click on MSW logo. Okay, this is the way you can open MSW logo in your system. After that, the MSW logo screen opens. When you do this when you follow this step, then you can see the MSW logo screen will be open in front of you. This is your screen. Screen will be open in front of you. Okay, जब आप MSW logo use करेंगे तो after that your MSW will be open here. Then, but it is divided in two parts. It is divided in two parts. Here upper one, this is your upper part and this is your lower part. After that, this upper one is known as menu bar. Then this part is known as your main screen. Or graphic window. Then here you can see a turtle, logo turtle. After that, this is your, this part will be your commander window. then this is your recall list box, this part is your input box, and here it is given command buttons. When you follow this step, click on start button, click on all programs, then click on MSW logo folder. After that, click on MS logo. When you click on this, then you can see the screen will be open in front of you. This part is your menu bar. This is your main screen or graphic window. After that, this is your logo turtle. Then here it is commander window. This is your input box. After that, recall list box, then your command buttons. This is the screen when you click on MS logo. After that, what is the use of this? First of all, we will talk about your main screen. What is your main screen? Main screen is the area where you can draw picture. The logo turtle moves on this screen. Main screen is the area where you can draw picture, and this turtle will move according to your command which you are giving. After that, commander window means this one. Commander window is the area where you can type command. It has two parts, the recall list box and the input box. इसके two parts हैं. One is your input box, second is your recall list box. The recall list box and input box, you type command in input box and press the enter key to make the turtle move. You can type command in your input box after that, so that your turtle can be moved. Now MSW logo commands. When you start MSW logo, the turtle is at the home position. जब आप इसको start करेंगे तो turtle की position रहेगी वो आपकी home position पे है. After that, you can see the simple commands to move turtle around the screen. Let us study about some commands. Okay, when you are giving command, suppose you have given FD40 or FD90, means FD is the form of forward direction. When you type FD40, turtle will move 40 steps forward. Okay, FD means forward and 40 is your steps. FD90, FD forward and 90 is your steps. Okay, then BK40 or BK90. How many steps you want to move here, turtle? You can choose by yourself. 20 steps, 40 steps, 90 steps, 100 steps, any step you can choose. BK is the form of backward command. Okay, BK is your backward command. When you input here BK40, your turtle will move backward. When you type here FD40, your turtle move forward only 40 steps. After that, now we will discuss this chapter in our next class. Okay, you have to revise this chapter and read this chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.